Right. Hi, good afternoon, and hello to everyone who's watching this demo version. This is just a mere demo quiz that you would be playing on the virtual family day. I just want to show you how you need to connect with us and log in. So, the left side is my screen that we would be running, which most of you would not be able to see. But what you would be seeing would be on the right side, which is your mobile devices, right? And also, I'm just explaining the rules to all of you right now so that we're all clear. Though we will announce few things on the main day, but let's go ahead. The first thing that you will see on the screen is the MC is going to announce a code. This is a sample demo code. Don't use the demo code. This is a sample demo code. So the first thing that you need to do is when the MC announces that we will all connect and play through Menti, we will be flashing a code number, which will be a different code number as well as a QR code. You can either scan the QR code or you can need to type in the mobile browser. So you have your Chrome. You need to type in the mobile browser www.menti.com and put in the code. You can or put in the scan the QR code, or the third thing that you could do is you could also download an app from the Play Store which is called the Menti. You have to just type the Menti, not the Mentimeter, the Menti. Once you are done, you will get a screen like this that you can see on the right side, which says welcome to SMS Family Day. There would also be a thumbs up as well as there's a heart. For now, I'm just showing you. You need to tap in that so that we are at the back end are aware how many people are going to be playing with us. Right now, it's just one person. So here I given a heart, and you can see the number will pop up over here, which means one person has joined through. So as you keep joining through, you keep tapping in here, and we will keep getting the numbers. How many people are being playing with us? There are no limits. However, the max limit is about roughly 2,000 people. So from each family, even 2, 3 members can play. We're absolutely fine. However, the first 2,000 people who will be here would be playing with us. That's how we play this game. Now I'll show you. Then we go next. What it is. This entire game is all about the fastest finger. So you can see as I change my screen, it will also keep changing on your mobile phone. So you'll know what's going to come up next. So the concept is called the fastest finger first. And the third thing over here is that we will have multiple questions and sorry, there'll be a lot of questions with multiple choices. You need to tap in the right answer. However, there would also be questions where you need to type in the answer. So don't worry, initially when you type in it may show wrong, but we will correct it if your answer is correct or close to correct. That's how it works. Third, the rule which we've already said, you need to open Menti, put in the code, you will get approximately 30 seconds to put in your name, which I will also show you. It's going to come up next. Each question will have a timer down below, so watch the timer. Most of them would be roughly 15 seconds. You'll only get 15 seconds to put in your answer to play the game. Now that's the screen, that's the first screen. So once you put in the code, you will get the welcome screen that you saw in the beginning. After that, you will get this screen which we will put across after a minute. And in this screen, you need to put in your name. So your name could be, I'm putting as Demo Sumit. That's the my name I'm putting it. You don't need to put the word demo, just put in your name and you can join the quiz. So this is what you need to do. And once you join, it says get ready to play. That's it. So you have to wait here. It shows you 1 out of 8. However, in your main series, you could have 1 out of 15. We don't know. We have no clues what is the quiz all about. So now how the quiz will begin here is, so this will show on the screen. There would be a small mobile or a small flash which can come anytime, and it will say get ready to play. So once you get that, you will have a question coming on your screen like this. Answer fast. Identify the movie. So you need to identify the movie here, and you have just 15 seconds with you. You can see there you will have only 15 seconds. So you need to identify this. You have this timer going down, so you need to identify that before that and answer it. Now I answered it late, which is 11 seconds. So obviously I'll get some amount of points. It will also show me your correct answer, and it will tell me what my rank is. So you will get to see the rank on this screen over here, right? This is my screen, which you will not be watching, but we can see who's scoring how much. and your result. So it says right now it is showing 622 first place. However, when there are hundred and thousand of people, you will get your ranking accordingly, and top 10 winners are going to be playing, are going to be getting prizes from your HR. So that's all about it. All the best for the game, and just see the video again in case you are confused how to play on this. That's all from my end.